What's up, everybody? Welcome back. I just wanted to talk about an item that I've had for a while now, about 4 months. It's the Anker Power Bank. It's a small package. It's a beast of an item. This is the Anker 10,000 milliamp hours bank, and you see how it looks like it's just gray on the front there, like a mirror? Well, when you push a button, you have a pretty cool screen that comes up. Now just know I have that DJI mic set up to the right there. It's a mini. I had it hooked up to the camera, but I had the camera in the wrong setting, so I'm not recording with that. I'm recording with a Rode forward-facing mic. I'm going to leave a link on the screen for this mic, as well as the power bank if you want to pick it up. But yeah, as you can see there, this will go through the temperature mode, the battery life level. It'll show you how many cycles you've been through. On this one, I've been through 44 cycles. That means I've charged it to 100% and depleted it all the way down to 0. Even if you charge it at 50%, let's say, back to 100, once you get down to 50 again, it still counts as one cycle. That is awesome. The screen looks great. It's 100% right now. I use these other cords because I charge my controllers to my game systems, and I still have an older Pro Max phone, so I need that lightning cable. But this does come with a built-in USB-C, and I'm about to pull it out and show you here in a minute. But you do have a regular USB charge port. You have a USB-C that you can put into it, and then you have the USB-C cable that stretches out to about 2 feet, I believe it is. Again, love this thing. It's awesome. Charges very fast. 45 watts out. So 45 watts out is hard to beat. Look at this thing though. It's awesome. Love it to death. Works like a charm. Out of all the power banks I have, which I have about 8-9 power banks with Soundcore Bluetooth speakers powered by Anker. Yeah, it's awesome. I'm going to put an Amazon affiliate link in as well in the description if you want to go that route. But I'll also, like I said, at the bottom left hand of the screen, put the DJI and the Anker link there. So if you want to pick it up, you can do so. But this shows you exactly how many watts are going in to your item. So it's going to show you exactly what you're getting. You have the 3 different ports. You have trickle charge on this bad boy, and it charges everything lightning fast. So yeah, love it. I don't want to carry on too much. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video. Peace out.